few years back, a new app took the world by storm. What? Beeper Mini reverse engineered iMessage to work on Android without requiring a Mac as a server? Everyone rushed to try it. For once, Android and iPhone users could communicate freely on iMessage. Eventually, Apple found out and shut it down. While Beeper moved on from iMessage, the community did not. They created OpenBubbles. Older solutions like bloo required a Mac to run 24/7, but OpenBubbles only needs it for initial setup. Afterwards, it runs completely locally on your phone. Alright, enough yapping, let's get this set up. First, head over to Google Play and download OpenBubbles. Once it's finished, we're going to click through these prompts quickly. When you get to this page, hop back to your Mac. Now, on your Mac, let's head to openbubbles.app and press self-host. On the page it opens up, click download and run the QR code generator. Extract the file and run the app. It should pop up a QR code. Let's head back over to our Android phone and scan it. Now it pops up the sign in window. Put your Apple account, email, and password in. Your Mac will now pop open a window asking for a verification code. Click allow, then type the code into your phone. Now we're all set up. Let's start a chat and see how it works. And it's sent. It's shockingly good. I hope you enjoy OpenBubbles as much as I did. If you're interested in more random tech stuff, please subscribe.